Hey guys, welcome out to the shop today. I'm going to be working on a long overdue project, and that is a system to store my angle grinders. I just recently have gotten some new flap disc and cutoff disc from Benchmark Abrasives, and I want to create some kind of system to get all of these organized and have just one area that I can keep my angle grinders. Now the plan is to get the angle grinders mounted permanently on the wall, and then for all of my flap discs and the cutoff wheels from Benchmark's Abrasives, I'm going to be creating like a French cleat system that it'll be able to be taken off the wall and moved around, because you can take your angle grinder and then you might want to just take a whole bunch of cutoff wheels or something like that. So I want to keep that portable, but the storage for the angle grinders, I want to make that permanent. So right here I have a 22 gauge sheet of sheet metal, and this is going to be perfect for the angle grinders because of how thin it is, but this is fairly thick enough that it doesn't really bend or anything whenever we're placing on the angle grinders. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the angle grinder and actually hanging it in there. So I want this about halfway of the depth of the angle grinder. So I'll go ahead and just get a measurement here. Looks like about 3 inches. So we'll do about 4 inches deep for this sheet metal. Now that we've gotten the cut made, we're going to take the Benchmark Abrasives flap disc and just run over the edge, just cleaning this up. So this 1x6 right here is going to be the back of the system. I'm going to be using it to actually mount to the wall up here. That's why this is higher. So we just have to get the same length. Now that we've gotten the back cut, the front cut, I'm going to use 3 pieces of this 1x2 to put in between them to give more support and actually raise this off of the 1x6, allowing for the angle grinders to hang onto the sheet metal. So we have the 2 pieces that obviously go on the outside. We need to find where the middle one needs to go. So the way I'll do that is by finding the total length of this, which is 24 inches. So the middle mark is at 12 inches, and then these are 3/4 inch pieces. So you should have it right there, set the 3/4. Yes. So now I can make my line for where this needs to go. So I'll have 1 right there, 2 right here, and then I'll lay the sheet of plywood or the sheet of sheet metal across the top. And this will provide enough room for 2 angle grinders in each section. Now granted, I only have 2 angle grinders right now, but there's always room for expansion. Now that we've gotten the 3 cross sections in, we're going to go ahead and mount the sheet metal now. As you can see, when I put this on, these 2 were kind of flared out, I guess. So what I did was use a clamp and pulled the 2 sides together, and now I'm going to be screwing in this side, and it will keep everything nice and tight. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Building this, it's all completed. I really like how it is. I like how it's got the extra spots for extra grinders if I choose to get some more. Right now I only have two. One is dedicated flap disc, one is dedicated cutoff disc, which makes it a lot simpler during your work. You don't have to worry about switching over your stuff. If you guys couldn't tell today, guys, go check out Benchmark Abrasives. They have some really fine quality abrasives, cutoff wheels, all sorts of things for bench grinders, different items like that. Go check them out at benchmarkabrasives.com. Go check out their Facebook page and all their other social media. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little build. Next week, I'm going to actually be building the French cleat system to hold all of my Benchmark Abrasives cutoff disc and flap disc. Get all those mounted up here on the wall so that they could be easily taken to the workbench, to the car, job sites, anywhere you need them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today, guys. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and check out all of my other videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.